YouTube, how's it going? John here at Herman Woodworks, and got another beautiful day here in Northeast Ohio. Right now it's going to get up to about 55 degrees and sunny, and literally 2 days after Thanksgiving. I'm going to have some videos out of order here. Kind of got a little crazy over the holiday. Um, can't beat this weather. Can't beat it. And you know what? I realized I have not milled one thing this summer, this fall, and it is making my heart ache. And I finally have the woodmizer LT10 up here at the property on the trailer, and I have a couple of relatively junk logs. One's, I think it's a cottonwood, another one's an ash, that we'll see what it looks like even on the inside. But trying to get some logs milled up for the bridge project. They don't have to be super pretty. I'm just going to be cutting big thick pieces to use them as deck boards on the bridge. And yeah, we'll get these cubed up, get them turned into cants here, and figure out roughly about how big we want these boards to be. Let's do it. And a little something else. When we had the tractor in for servicing, I went ahead and purchased a set of Tar River attachments, 4,000 pound pallet forks, the quick attach pallet forks. Not quite ready to go spending the money to get a grapple with the third function, because I need the third function installed on this, but this is a huge game changer. Just being able to pick up logs with this compared to trying to negotiate it with the bucket and strapping it to it. So yeah, nice little addition. Really happy about that. All right, so I figured that that blade was going to be bad. It had been on there for, I don't know, like I said, the last time I used the mill, but it was really bad. So I'm gonna have to go get the other blade. You can see I got a roller coaster going on here. So let's pop this blade on. We'll put a fresh one on, get back to it. All right, that's better. Let's try this again. Much better. All right, so we got this squared up to an 8x8 cant, and was trying to decide how really big I want to go. This bridge, like I said, I'm going to be taking the big tractor across it, so it sounds way overkill. It's going on those big power poles we laid down for the bridge, but I'm just going to cut this thing in half, leave it 4 inches wide. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Maybe I'll change my mind and I can cut it up more later, but I think that's what it's going to stay at. Yeah, probably overkill for a bridge, but it is what it is. This wood's pretty soft. This, like I said, I think was a cottonwood tree that had died on us, and I'm just trying to keep this as cheap as possible, keep it on the cheap, and yeah, just milling what was here. Next, I'm going to hop over to that piece of ash laying right there, see what it looks like on the inside. But I think that's going to do it probably for this video. I got to get busy. We're losing daylight pretty quick here. All right, YouTube, really happy to be able to get out here, enjoy the sunlight, and run the Woodmizer LT10. Really happy how it was cutting once I got a fresh blade on there. I don't know, something about it, just therapeutic, getting out here and milling some stuff. So really happy to get this done. Now I got to get to the rest of it and make the most of the rest of this day. YouTube, it's been awesome. If you guys are new, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon.